All right, welcome to the Charlyverse, y'all. I'm Charly. I'm a non-binary Latinx money coach for LGBT plus, BIPOC, first gen, and neurospicy folks who are ready to stop feeling behind and start building six-figure wealth, even without having a six-figure salary or a fancy job title. I send a lot of emails, y'all, on my crush, debt, retire early list, and they're juicy. If you've ever felt shame about debt or confused about where your money's going, you're in the right place. I've never made more than 45K at the 9 to 5, but I've built a 200K plus net worth already by age 34. And I've traveled to 39 countries around the world at the same time, simply because I give every single dollar I make a purpose. I used to be a stockbroker, but after being misgendered way too many times and asked by coworkers why I was wearing a tie to work, I quit my job when COVID hit in 2020 and I started my money coaching business to help marginalized people to exploit capitalism instead of the other way around. That's right. You might be thinking, I need to pay off my debt before I can even think about retirement. But paying off debt is part of your retirement plan. It is part of the equation. You don't have to wait to pay off all of your debt to invest. In my 6-month one-on-one money coaching program, we move your money into a high yield savings account. We pay off debt without shame. We raise your credit score by 100 plus points. We get you to start investing, even if you don't know what you're doing. And we also centralize all of your money in one place so that you actually know where it is and what it's doing, eliminating the stress you feel of wondering where your money is going or that it's not growing enough. When you work with me, we log in together, we move money, we buy and sell stock, we open accounts, and I translate all the fancy whiteman words so you actually understand investing. My coaching will make you feel confident handling your money, helping your loved ones build wealth too, and it will eliminate the stress you feel right now trying to find the right answers on finance TikTok or lurking or posting on random Facebook groups for money advice. When you're ready to start building your six-figure retirement without needing a six-figure salary, I got you. Book a call with me. I'd love to help you crush your debt and retire early. Let's go.